What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your 2021 Toyota Venza. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key from it, which is going to be this little switch that you have right here. I'm going to switch this to the side and pull the key right out. Now we're going to split this remote in half. I'm going to use a little flathead screwdriver to do that, and you're going to want to do it with the buttons facing down. Just going to get the flathead screwdriver right here like this and just kind of pry it. These things open up pretty easily. You can see how it opened up, and I'm just going to open it up a little bit more. And here is the battery. We're looking at a CR2450. So just note that the positive is facing up or outwards, and to get the battery out, I'm just going to pry it off from the bottom of the remote right here. Just be careful because these things will come flying out. And you want to hold on to the remote because this part right here is loose, and when it comes loose, all these little buttons are loose too, okay? So you just take it out. So when you get your new battery, we're just going to slide it in this corner here, which is actually the top of the remote, and just click it down, and then you just get the back cover and just snap it all back together. Very simple. Emergency key back in, and you're all done. Well, if the video helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.